let AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. Clear? Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, so what will be there in triangle ABD and triangle ACD? Clear? So what will be there? Since all sides are equal ना, हाँ, all sides are equal, so क्या हो जाएगा? AB is equal to AC. Okay, why? Because it is given. Clear? It is equilateral triangle, so definitely it should be equal. Now come to angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. If you facing problem, so in solving this question, so again I constructing triangle, okay, for your convenience. Okay, so here this side such that you can make it proper understand. Okay, here also I am making this equilateral triangle. So now this is also 60 degree. Now come to, and this is the perpendicular. Okay, so here is what A, B, C and D. Clear? So then after this is what 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So we are talking about triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB is equal to AC, as this is equilateral triangle, so it is okay. And what second thing, angle ADB, this and angle ADC, these both are equal 90 degree. These both are 90 degree. It means because it is perpendicular. Okay, so you have to write here construction, because we drawn perpendicular construction. Clear? Now come to AD is equal to AD. AD is the common. Okay, AD is equal to AD. Okay, this is also construction. Clear? So what will be there? Implies that triangle ABD is to triangle ACD. Okay, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, so therefore what will be there? BD is equal to DC. Implies that BD is equal to CD. Okay, by CP CT. Okay, clear? So by CPCT. By CPCT, this happen BD is equal to CD. Implies that what will be there? What is BD? BD is equal to what? BD is equal to half of BC is equal to CD. So CD is what? Half of BC. Okay, because as you know, in equilateral triangle, if we draw perpendicular on any side, so it will divide both. Okay, sorry, it will divide to that side in two equal parts. Okay, so half into BC. Here you write, since perpendicular on equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle bisect its side. Clear? So what will be there? So is equal to half into, what is BC? What is BC? BC is nothing but, we have taken as 2a. Okay, here we taken 2a. So half into 2a is equal to a. Clear? So triangle ABD. So this one BD is equal to BD is equal to BD is equal to, this is what BD is equal to. Clear? Now using Pythagoras theorem, now using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. Okay, so now using Pythagoras triangle in theorem in triangle ADB, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay, so what is there? AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So is equal to what? AB square, that is what? 2a whole square. AB is side of equilateral triangle, and that you taken as 2a. Clear? So 2a ka whole square minus BD. BD what you got? You got BD a. Clear? So minus, in place of BD you write a square. Okay, so what will be there? Therefore AD square is equal to 2a whole square, that is what? 4a square minus a square. Therefore AD square is equal to what? 3a square. Therefore AD is equal to what? AD is equal to under root 3a. Clear? Therefore sin 60 degree is equal to what? Sin 60 degree is equal to what? Sin 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is what? AD. Hypotenuse is what? AB. So AD upon AB. So sin 60 degree is equal to AD upon AB. AD upon AB. So is equal to AD is what? AD you got under root 3a. So you will write under root 3a. Clear? Okay. You have to be very careful that under root 3a, a is outside of under root. Okay, so you have to be very careful to writing this one. Okay, do not make this outside here, means do not make a under this under root. Clear? And you have to be very very careful. Okay, and it will be wrong. Okay, so upon AB, what is AB? AB is 2a. So under root 3a upon 2a. Clear? Sin 60 degree is equal to, now sin 60 degree is equal to what? A cancel, so you get under root 3 upon 2. Clear? And you know this is the value upon sin 60 degree. Okay, without using table you find out this value of sin 60 degree. Okay, so this was the question, okay, that you have to find out by geometry, and you got it by geometry. Okay, Now again I am giving few higher questions, okay, related to your trigonometry. So what is there? Now next question is there. That question, prove that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Okay, so 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. So what will be value? You have to prove this question. So what will be solution? What is the LHS? You write just here is LHS. LHS is equal to what? 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta in bracket 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, so what will be there is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. Okay, and in other bracket what will be there? 1 plus, in place of tan theta you write sin theta upon cos theta plus sec theta. So what will be there? 1 upon cos theta. Clear? So we converted this all in form of sin theta cos theta related. All the terms are here, sin theta cos theta related, other or numbers. Okay, now after what will be there? And this is what LHS is equal to. LHS is equal to. Now we will take LCM. Here is fraction, here is fraction, here 1 is also, you can understood that 1 we can write as 1 upon 1. So all is the fraction. I told you where are the fractions, more fractions we take, we solve it as the fraction, addition or difference. Okay, so here if you taking LCM, so what is the LCM? We will get sin theta. Okay, and now sin theta, so here is what? Sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta. Clear? Same as come to here also. If you taking LCM, so you are getting what? Cos theta. Cos theta and 1. So there is cos theta. Cos theta upon 1. Now cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Clear? Plus again 1. Clear? Now what? Minus sin theta you can cut here. Okay, sin theta plus cos theta minus, sorry, here is 1 upon sin theta. So sin theta upon sin theta, that is what? 1. So here will be what? 1. Sin theta is LCM. If you sin theta divided by sin theta, so 1 is remaining, and upper side nothing is there, 1 is only, so it will be 1. सो साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा माइनस 1. सो साइन थीटा की जगह यहाँ पे 1 रहेगा, ये मिस्टेक से मैंने गलती से लिख दिया था. सो साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा माइनस 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा एंड कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन कॉस थीटा. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट विल बी देयर आफ्टर दिस? व्हाट विल बी नेक्स्ट स्टेप? ये हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? दिस इज व्हाट साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा माइनस 1 एंड साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा प्लस 1. ओके, तो अगर हम इसको सेपरेट टर्म मानते हैं, किसको? साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा को एक टर्म मानते हैं, तो क्या हो जाएगा? साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा इन माइनस 1. सो साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा, ओके, होल स्क्वायर. अगर हम इसको पूरा एक टर्म मानते हैं तो ये सेकंड टर्म -1 हो जाएगा, और बीच में सिर्फ माइनस है एक टर्म में, एंड यहाँ पर प्लस है. ओके, ओनली साइन डिफरेंस एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 2 terms. Okay, so sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, now after this what will be there? Now after this we can write is equal to sin square theta, because here is what? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay, sin theta plus cos theta whole square. So we will expand this. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 1 तो है ही. So what will be there? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by what is there? Sin theta cos theta. Clear? Now what is there? Is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. 1 minus 1, so sin theta cos theta cancel, so you get it 2. Okay, and that is what? RHS. Clear? Therefore 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta and in other bracket 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Okay, hence proved. This was very important question. Okay, this was very important question. Okay, this was asked also in 2008. Okay, so this question was asked in 2008. Clear? So this is important question also. Clear? You just it means keep in mind. Okay, this is important question. Now you come to next question. One more question is there. Cos power 4a cos power 4a minus cos square a is equal to sin power 4a minus sin square a. Okay, so ये है, you have to find out its value. Cos power 4a minus cos square a is equal to sin power 4a minus sin square a. So now what will be its value? Okay, तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. Cos power 4a minus cos square a. Solution. Now if you taking cos square a common, if you taking LHS, so you just write LHS. LHS is equal to what? Cos power 4a minus cos square a. Now you will take LCM, LCM nahi, cos square a as common. So what will be there? Cos square a minus 1. Okay, cos square a minus 1. तो cos square a minus 1 कितना हो जाएगा आपका? If you taking here common from minus 1, if you taking common from here, so what is there? Minus cos square a. Clear? तो यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 1 minus cos square a. देखो ये आपको माइंड लगाना है. ओके, यू हैव टू अप्लाई दिस माइंड. नो वन कमिंग टू से यू हाउ टू सॉल्व. You have to apply this logic that how we can get our goal. ओके, हाउ वी कैन प्रूव दिस सम, ओके, cos स्क्वायर ए -1, ये कुछ इसका मीनिंग नहीं बन रहा था. No one formula is there which one we can apply, but if we taking -1 common, so here being 1 minus cos square a, so 1 minus cos square a, that we getting sin square a. Clear? So we getting sin square a. So here is what is equal to minus cos square a into sin square a. Clear? माइनस cos square a into sin square a, ये इतना हो गया ना आपका. तो यहाँ पर आप लिख लीजिए सिंस 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वायर. क्लियर ना? इतना हो गया आपका इज इक्वल टू माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए इंटू साइन स्क्वायर ए. नाउ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट विल बी देयर after this minus cos square a, what you can change